Okay. Next question says, which aspect of monopolistic competition gives consumers more choice? So A says producers rely on consumer decisions to succeed. B says price is not an important factor. C says few barriers to market entry exist. And D says producers are more concerned about selection than profits. So let's define monopolistic competition really quickly. So it's a type of market structure that's in between perfect competition and monopoly. What monopolistic competition says is you have the factors of perfect competition, which imply that there are low costs of entry and exit, that there are many suppliers and producers in the market, but it also incorporates some elements of monopoly products where it says that goods aren't all ubiquitous, they're not all the same, that some producers are able to slightly differentiate their products from others. And so that's going to be a kind of our understanding of monopolistic competition. And so yes, consumers get more choice in monopolistic competition compared to the perfect competition where everything is the same, and versus monopoly structure where there's only one person selling the good. And the main reason we can get that competition is because there's so many suppliers in monopolistic competition, and that's a kind of byproduct of low barriers to entry. So C is going to be the best answer here for us because those low barriers of entry allow a lot of firms to enter the market and kind of produce slightly differentiated goods, which ends up giving consumers more choice in the marketplace. Let's take a look at what the previous tutor said. The previous tutor also said C, few barriers to market entry exist. And they said that monopolistic competition portrays a form of imperfect competitive market structure where numerous organizations consisting of a large number of sellers offer products or services that are comparative yet not perfect substitutes to a large number of buyers. Under monopolistic competition, the obstacles to entry and exit of firms are low and very few, meaning it is not as easy and free as under perfect competition. There are no noteworthy obstructions to entry and exit, therefore markets are moderately contestable, meaning the decision of one single firm doesn't legitimately influence those of its rivals. One of the most important characteristics of monopolistic competition is product differentiation, right? Firms engaged in monopolistic competition produce products that are differentiated and are close but not perfect substitutes for each other. Monopolists' firm products are different from others in terms of specifications, package, design, or brand name. It is on account of product differentiation that firms incur huge selling costs to compete with other firms. Differentiation makes an assorted variety, decision, and utility for customers. The business strategy of brand differentiation and few barriers to market entry gives consumers more choice. This is a great answer, really in depth, and nothing we can really add on here.